There was a farmer who used to earn his living by selling carrots. One day, a clever rabbit came to his farm and started talking sweetly to the farmer. Gradually, the rabbit befriended the farmer. One day, the rabbit told his friends in the forest that he has a friend who gives him carrots to eat. All the friends of the rabbit expressed their desire to meet that friend. The rabbit made a plan. You all hide behind the bush and just watch me how I fool the farmer today. The next morning, the rabbit reached the farmer's farm. He said to the farmer, "Do you know that the owner of the farm next door sells carrot pudding in the market instead of carrots, due to which his income is double than yours?" The farmer said to the rabbit, "We have carrots, but we don't know how to make pudding." The rabbit said, "I can help you in making carrot pudding." The farmer asked, "How can you do it?" The rabbit said, "Keep all these carrots in the forest. I will talk to the king of my forest and get your pudding made. You come tomorrow and take the pudding." The farmer agreed. That night, all the rabbits of the forest had a party together and ate all the carrots. The next day, when the farmer came, he found neither the carrot nor the rabbit. The farmer understood that he had become a fool. Moral lesson: blindly trusting an unknown person is not free from danger.